Welcome. In this video I will show you how to start and customize a workout on Apple Watch SE 3. First, you have to open the workout app. To do that, open the app library by pressing the digital crown, then scroll down to workout app and open it by tapping on it. Then you have to select the workout type which you want to perform. You can scroll through different workouts using your digital crown, and if you don't see your workout on this list, you can add a new one by tapping the plus icon at the very bottom of the list, then selecting add workout, and then selecting the workout from this much longer list. And once you find it, tap on it to add it, and scroll down and tap OK. And this workout will be added to your workout list. Now, to start a workout, you have to press the play button and then wait for 3 seconds for the workout to start. Okay, and at this point the watch is tracking your workout progress. Now let me show you an example of how you can customize your workouts. So before you start a new workout, tap the icon in the top right corner in order to change your workout goals. As you can see, this particular workout has 5 standard goals and 1 custom goal. So you can change your goals by tapping the pencil icon next to the goal you want to change. Then you have to tap on the type of the goal that you want to change, then select the value that you want to change. For in this example, the time that you want to walk outside, then tap done. And now if you want to start a workout with this particular goal, tap start workout. If you want to set up other goals too, then return to the previous menu by pressing the left arrow icon and then selecting a different goal and setting it up just like we did with the time. Now if you go back and select custom, you'll be able to create or select a custom workout. Let's create a new one by pressing the plus icon. Then, as you can see, this custom workout already has 2 steps, which are warm up and cool down, and both of them are skipped. So we can change it by tapping on either warm up or the cool down, and then setting a goal for your warm up. So for example, let's set a time goal for the warm up. Let's say that I want to warm up for 15 minutes. In order to make it so, you have to select minutes, then scroll the digital crown to change the value and tap done. And now we have 15 minutes workout, which is the first goal of the workout. Now let's set up a cooldown, and let's set a distance cooldown, and let's set it change it to maybe 500 meters. Then tap done to apply. And now we can add some more workout elements. Let's do so by tapping plus add tile. And then, as you can see, you have 3 options that you can add to your workout: the work, recovery, or repeats. Now repeats are unavailable right now because we haven't added a single element, a single goal to our workout besides cooldown and warm up. So let's add a work. Then let's use distance, and let's set it to maybe 1 kilometer. Then tap done. Okay, and now we can add a new one. And as you can see right now, the repeats option is available because we have 1 goal which we can repeat as and make a second goal out of it. So let's use the work by tapping on it, then tap the right arrow icon to proceed, and now select the repeats of this goal that you want to complete. For example, 3 repeats. So this way we'll have to repeat the 1 kilometer walk for 3 times in order to achieve this goal. And the third option that you can add is recovery. So let's change the recovery. Let's select a let's change. Okay, I just thought on a second that I should actually show you the open and how the open works. So basically, if you select open, then this goal will be achieved whenever you want it to. So the recovery will be open, therefore you decide when the recovery is finished. And now let's add some new goal. Let's select repeats again, then let's select our work. Oh, okay, no, let's first select work and then distance, and then let's add 500 more meters. Done. And then let's repeat it 3 times like this. Okay, and right now this workout seems complete. You can also reorder the elements of your workout or the goals of your workout by tapping reorder and then moving the tiles by holding your finger down on one of the tile and moving it to the top or to the bottom in order to change your workout goals. And then tap OK in the top right corner of the screen to confirm this option. And now you can also add a custom title to your custom workout by selecting this field, then selecting the input method. I'm gonna use a voice input. Simple walk. Then tap done. And you can also check your custom views and what they will look like. And to complete the creation of the workout, select the create workout at the very bottom of the list. Now to start this custom workout, you have to tap on it and it will begin. Okay, now let's stop it by swiping to the right and selecting add, and let me show you other customization options. So if you enter alerts in the bottom right corner of the workout, you will be able to set alerts for your heart rate by selecting heart rate and selecting the value of your heart rate at which you want to receive a heart rate alert. Then for time, you can also enable a time alert and select the time after which you want to receive an alert. Then tap set to confirm. Then you can also change other alerts like splits. In order to enable a splits alert, switch this toggle to the right and then set a distance just like we set the time before. And also you can enable or disable the target alerts for your workout by switching this one toggle. And that's all the changes that you can make here. Now let's go back, and the last option, the last feature I want to show you is the autoplay media, which you can enable or disable by tapping the icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you can switch this feature on or off by switching this toggle to the right or to the left. If you enable this feature, you can add media for your workout. And that's basically it. I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.